Aloha mai kākou, Mahi here again for another one of our Nā Huaʻōlelo o ka Malama, the Hawaiian word of the month. Our theme, Nā mea Huaʻōlelo o ka Mauliola Hawaii, Hawaiian values found through our beautiful Hawaiian language. This month's theme is LŌKAHI, and on the acronym, Paʻa is the word that we've chosen for this week. Steadfast, firm, constant, loyal, immovable, faithful, determined, allegiance. King Kahekili of Maui always demanded loyalty from his warriors. And so we have this sentence. Ku paʻa nā pūʻali mahope o ka mōʻī o Kahekili, which is the regiments of Kahekili were loyal and faithful. Another one of our Hawaiian words of the month. We hope that we enjoy it. From all of us in Partners in Development Foundation, aloha.